Hey everyone, J Squared here, and I have a little modification I want to share with you based on one of my last videos, or one of the videos I did that did really well, surprisingly, because it was so simple and not a long video. So I did a video on buttons that I upgraded on my previous Mercedes, an E550 Coupe. Sorry for the lighting, I'm in a garage here in another location, moved since that video, and so I just upgraded some buttons on my E550, and it went really well, and it was a simple, little upgrade. I didn't like how the buttons were looking, and so I put some silver covers on them and it came out great. So I've gotten a new Mercedes, a CLA45 AMG, which I absolutely love, and the buttons on that one were all blacked out, and they're fine. I just wanted to give it a little upgrade. So I already did one side just to test it. I'll show you that now, and then I'll go and do the other side. I did the driver's side, and then I'm going to work on the passenger side. So this is the passenger side buttons, and it's specifically these that I'm going to fix or upgrade. This is the bottom seat. The middle section tilts back and forward. That is actually a dead button. Mercedes decided just to utilize the same configuration. This was exactly the configuration that was in my E550. They were already silver in that car, in my coupe, and this actually did work because I did have a movable headrest. But the seats are not like that. They're sports seats, and this doesn't work, but there's still a cover for it. Let me show you those. Before I show you those though, that's what it'll look like, these three. This one's a little weird because since it doesn't go in, like this one, actually pushed in a little bit, and this one as well, they have double-sided tape on the inside, so they just go over. This one, since it doesn't depress, the button doesn't actually touch the double-sided tape, so I have to do a little crazy glue. So I'm just on the edge of it, what sits on the part of the seat of the button, and it's holding fine. That's never going to be used anyway, and I don't think anyone would want to put them back to black. If they did, they can just pry it off. So just for reference, these are the seats in the car now. And as you see, this is not a separate movable headrest, it's fixed. So there's no button really to move that. There's no need for a button because it doesn't move. But they have the button there anyway as a dead button. I do love these seats, by the way, but that's for another time in video. Here are the buttons. I just got these off eBay. They're like 10 bucks. And they came in about a week and a half. And the other side didn't have this tape affixed, so the tape comes separately. One side is exposed, so you just peel it off a paper that it comes on, and you place them in there, and then this white part comes off, exposing the sticky tape. All right, so I'm gonna use this. You need something pointy. I like this because it's plastic and it's not going to scratch anything. And I'm going to peel off this white part with the edge of this. All right, just as an idea on what you can use. You can use anything. I just decided on this because it's what I found in the car. I didn't come prepared when I was doing it, but it turned out this worked out pretty well because I always have pens on me. So if you see, there's a little bit of the white stuff coming up, and then I got it up enough to pull the rest off with my finger. And there's the whole thing peeled off. It's a clear tape, so maybe you see it, maybe you don't, but that's the sticky part that's gonna go onto the button. So very simply, just line it up with the button itself. You push in, and it's grabbing. And all the functions work. Lift and lower, and it's all set. So then I just need to do this piece and this piece. Here's the other piece. Now these middle ones, they have a clear bottom. That's how I was able to distinguish which side each was for. So like I said, there's a clear bottom. The tape has been removed, so the sticky part is now facing out. Just push it in. And there it is. It's on there. These might need glue at some point. I'm not really worried too much. If they fall, I'll just get another set and put them on. They definitely need to be silver though, but that seems to be holding, and with, you know, time and heat, it'll heat up. Now this guy, like I mentioned, has no play, so it's hard to push on it, and the tape doesn't really touch the button, so I have to put glue on there. So you see, that's the little piece, that's the tape still on there. I got to get that out, and when I press on there, there's no contact with the glue. So I just put tape along the edges here, glue, and then very slowly work it on, and it'll hold. So glue has been put on. Oops, it's still a little loose. Got to keep some pressure on there while the glue dries. There, it's on there now. So don't like really doing that, you know. Wish the glue or the tape was put on in a way that it would hold the button, but I think this kit is really meant for, well, at least with respect to this button, for cars that have this active, because like I said, these push in a little bit, so I can get them to make contact with the tape. This one's a little tricky, so just want to give you guys a heads up. I'll put the link of where I bought these. There she is. A few different things I plan on doing with her over time, and actually some have already been done. I have videos that I've yet to put up, but yeah, this is just a quick button update, because guys seem to like buttons. Upgrade. Tuning in. Make sure to subscribe so you see upcoming videos, and that's all for today.